Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2026 Nuova Fiat Punto Sports marks a thrilling return for one of Fiat's most iconic compact cars, now reborn with a sharper edge, athletic spirit, and modern flair. As the automotive world moves towards more agile, efficient, and tech-forward vehicles, the new Punto Sports confidently steps into the spotlight, blending Italian style with dynamic performance. Fiat has taken a bold approach in reimagining the Punto. The design is sleek yet aggressive, boasting sculpted lines, a wider stance, and a more aerodynamic profile. The front grille is flanked by sharp LED headlamps that give it a fierce look, while the rear features a sporty diffuser and dual exhausts that underline its performance intent. Its 17-inch alloy wheels and low ride height not only enhance its aesthetics but also improve handling and grip on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Punto Sports offers a turbocharged 1.4-liter engine producing an impressive 170 horsepower, a major step up from its predecessors. It's paired with either a 6-speed manual or dual-clutch automatic transmission, delivering crisp gear shifts and exhilarating acceleration. Fiat has fine-tuned the chassis for better cornering dynamics, giving drivers a fun-to-drive experience without compromising comfort. The steering is responsive, and the upgraded suspension setup makes it more composed at high speeds while remaining nimble in city driving. Inside, the Nuova Punto Sports brings a modern and premium feel. The cabin features sport bucket seats with red contrast stitching, a flat-bottomed steering wheel, and aluminum pedals that emphasize its athletic character. A 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen dominates the dashboard, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is customizable and provides real-time performance data, navigation, and driver assist information. Speaking of tech, Fiat has packed the sporty hatchback with the latest in driver assistance systems. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, and a 360-degree parking camera. These features make the Punto Sports not only exciting to drive but also a smart and safe companion on the road. What makes the 2026 Fiat Punto Sports particularly appealing is its balance of affordability, style, and spirited performance. It targets young professionals and enthusiasts looking for a fun daily driver that stands out without breaking the bank. In a segment often dominated by mundane offerings, the Punto Sports injects personality, offering a unique flavor that blends Fiat's heritage with a forward-thinking approach. With its fresh design, lively performance, and comprehensive tech package, the Nuova Fiat Punto Sports is poised to make a strong impression in the hot hatch segment. Fiat has revived their beloved nameplate and given it new life, proving once again that small cars can be both practical and passionately driven. Whether you're carving up winding roads or just cruising through the city, the 2026 Punto Sports brings joy to every journey, making it one of the most exciting compact releases of the year. Thanks very much.